Welcome to the Wrike workspace. Wrike uses a 3-panel interface. The navigation panel is here on the left-hand side. This is where you can create new folders and projects, or access existing ones. The middle panel shows you the tasks that reside in the selected folder or project. By default, the right-hand panel shows you a snapshot with statistics and details of the tasks created in that folder. To access the third panel in Wrike, you need to select a task from the list view. On the Task panel, you can see who the task is assigned to, the status, due date, description, any comments or updates, along with other properties. The List view is the default view in Wrike. It shows you the list of tasks that reside in the selected folder or project. If you have a lot of tasks, you can narrow down what you see by applying filters. For example, you may only want to see completed tasks or only the tasks assigned to a specific person. There are many other filters to choose from. You can also sort the tasks. Priority sorting gives us an option to rank tasks according to our needs by simply dragging and dropping them. The Table view allows you to view the tasks in a grid format, similar to Excel. Each column represents task properties. We can easily drag and drop the columns to change the order. Create custom fields by adding extra columns. This can be handy when you need to track unique information about your work. The Timeline view is an interactive Gantt chart. This is where you can manage the sequencing of tasks. Only tasks that have a date scheduled will appear on the timeline. You can easily reschedule tasks and set dependencies between them. You can also set and view project milestones. The Stream view is very similar to a Facebook feed. Here, you can see all the updates made to the tasks in the selected project or folder. The Time Log view shows any time entries made to the tasks in the selected folder or project. The Workload view is made with resource allocation in mind. Here, you can see how many tasks are assigned to your team members. You can easily see if someone is over-allocated, indicated by this orange background. Just simply reschedule or reassign the task. The Analytics view has various infographics that give you quick insights into a specific folder or project. Now let's move to the Global views in Wrike. On the top left corner, the inbox shows you all your personal mentions and assignment notifications. The My Work view shows you all the tasks assigned to you. It's your personal workspace in Wrike. Here, you can prioritize all the work that's on your plate. The Dashboard view is comprised of several fully customizable widgets containing a filtered list of tasks. Easily open tasks from the dashboard. The Global Stream view shows you every update made in every folder and project you can see in Wrike. Wrike has very robust reporting functionality. They update in real time, giving you the visibility you need for your projects and tasks. If you need to find a task in Wrike, you can type a keyword in the search bar at the top of the workspace, or to find a project or folder, type the keyword into the search box at the top of the navigation panel.